Sincere greetings to everyone. In today's video, we'll discuss some very important multiple choice questions based on the chapter Madam Rides the Bus, composed by Valli Kannan for the students of class 10th from their books First Flight. Let's get started. Question number 1. Who is the author of the lesson Madam Rides the Bus? Option A. Gavin Maxwell. Option B. Valli Kannan. Option C. Paulo Coelho. Or option D. Arup Kumar Datta. The correct answer is Valli Kannan. Option B. Valli Kannan. Next question. What was Valli's full name? Option A. Valli Kannan. Option B. Valliammai. Option C. Vallianai. Or option D. Valli Kannam. The correct answer is again option B. Valliammai. The full name of Valli was Valliammai. Question number 3. What was Valli's age? Option A. 7 years. Option B. 8 years. Option C. 9 years. And option D. None of these. The correct answer is option B. 8 years. Valli was 8 years old girl. Next question. What was her favorite pastime? Option A. Watching the street outside. Option B. Playing outside. Option C. Traveling the bus. Or option D. Reading books. We know the favorite pastime of Valli was option A. Watching the street outside. Next question. How many times did the bus cross her street per hour? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 4 or option D 6. The correct answer is option B 2. The bus crossed her street twice per hour. एक बार तो गांव से टाउन की ओर जाते हुए बस जाती थी उसकी गली में से और दूसरी बार टाउन से वापस गांव आते हुए. तो इस तरह से 1 घंटे में बस 2 बार उसकी गली में से जाती थी. Next question. What was Valli's deepest desire? Option A. To have friends. Option B. To travel by bus. Option C. To top the class. Or option D. None of these. Valli's deepest desire was option B is correct here, to travel by bus. Next question. How far was the town from Valli's village? Option A. 10 miles. Option B. 3 miles. Option C 6 miles or option D 20 miles. The correct answer is option C 6 miles. जो टाउन था नियरेस्ट टाउन वो वल्ली के गांव से 6 मील की दूरी पर था. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट वुड मेक वल्ली जेलस? ऑप्शन ए strangers traveling by bus. Option B hearing stories of her friends bus journey. Option C her mother traveling the bus. Option D all of the above. The correct answer is option B hearing the stories of her friends bus journey. Next question. How did she pick up small details about the bus journey? Option A. Listening to the conversations of neighbors. Option B. Asking a few discreet questions. Option C. All of the above. And option D. None of the above. The correct answer here is option C. All of the above. She both listened to the conversations of the neighbors and she also asked many times some few discreet questions to them regarding the bus journey. Next question. Why did Valli stand up? Option A. She wanted to enjoy the ride. Option B. She wasn't able to look outside properly. Option C. She liked standing. Or option D. She was tired of sitting. We know the correct answer is option B here. She wasn't able to look outside properly. That's why she stood up again and again from her seat in the bus. Next question. What did the old man say to Valli that annoyed her? Option A. He shouted at her. Option B. He asked why she is alone. Option C. He merely asked her to sit. Option D. None of the above. Here the correct answer is option C. He merely asked her to sit. वो old man बार बार उसे बैठने के लिए बोल रहा था and this was the only thing that annoyed Valli very much. Next question. Valli found the woman absolutely repulsive. What do you mean by repulsive? Option A. Causing strong dislike. Option B. Showing displeasure. Option C. Extremely attractive. Or option D. Admirable. Here the correct answer is option A. Causing strong dislike. The meaning of repulsive is causing strong dislike. Next question. Why did Valli find the woman repulsive? Option A. She had large piercings in her ears. Option B. She wore ugly earrings. Option C. She was chewing betel nut which could spill out any moment. Option D. All of the above. Here all the 3 options mentioned are correct. So the correct answer is option D. All of the above. Next question. Why did the old lady ask Valli so many questions? Option A. She was bothered about Valli. Option B. She liked Valli. Option C. She was poking her nose. Or option D. She was bored. So here we have to mention that why the old lady, you see, she asked so many questions. Answer this question is because she was bothered about Vali. She cared for Vali. उसे चिंता थी सच में वली की कि वो अकेली ट्रैवल कैसे कर रही है, कोई उसके साथ है कि नहीं. एंड शी इज अ स्मॉल गर्ल, दैट्स व्हाई शी वाज कंसर्न्ड अबाउट हर, शी बॉदर्ड अबाउट हर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what did she have to resist on village fair to save for the ride? Option A balloons, option B merry-go-round, option C toys और option D peppermint. वैसे तो आपको पता है कि वल्ली को जब बस जर्नी के लिए पैसे सेव करने थे तो उसे इन सभी चीज़ों को छोड़ना पड़ा था. बलून्स भी, मैरी-गो-राउंड भी, टॉयज भी, पेपरमिंट. लेकिन यहाँ जो क्वेश्चन है उसमें ये पूछा हुआ है कि विलेज फेयर डे वाले दिन उसने किस चीज़ को रेजिस्ट किया था, अपनी किस चीज़ की इच्छा को उसने रेजिस्ट किया था. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज हियर option B merry-go-round. Next question, what was the next challenge once she would save money, enough money? So A, tell her mom about it. B, know about the timings. C, buy a ticket. D, to sneak out of the house. When she saved enough money, you see, next challenge उसके लिए था कि she had to sneak out of the house. Next question, what made her laugh on her journey? Option A, the sight of a running cow. Option B, the old woman's earrings. Option C, the old man. Or option D, none of the above. So we know it very well that the sight of the cow, you see, running cow, it made her laugh on her journey. Next question, what did Vali do to fulfill her desire? Option A, she ran away from home one day. Option B, she saved money. Option C, contacted a driver. Or option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option B, she saved money. Come to the next question. What does it tell you about Vali when she refused to accept the conductor's treat? Means जब वली को कंडक्टर ने बोला कि जब वो टाउन में पहुंच गए थे और बस स्टॉप पर बस रुक गई थी तो कंडक्टर ने वली को ऑफर किया कि वो उसके लिए जूस या कुछ पीने के लिए बाय कर देगा तो एक ट्रीट हो जाएगी उसकी ओर से. तो वली ने उसके लिए मना कर दिया. तो इससे आपको वली के कैरेक्टर का कौन सा एस्पेक्ट शो होता है कि वली किस तरह की लड़की थी. सीधा ऑप्शंस, ऑप्शन ए रिस्पॉन्सिबल, ऑप्शन बी स्टबर्न, ऑप्शन सी रूड और ऑप्शन डी डिसरेस्पेक्टफुल. द करेक्ट आंसर हियर इज ऑप्शन ए रिस्पॉन्सिबल. Next question, who was a real chatterbox? Option A, Vali. Option B, conductor. Option C, her aunt. Or option D, all of the above. The correct answer here is option C, her aunt. Her aunt was a real chatterbox mentioned in the chapter. Next question, what made Vali sad in return? Option A, the dead cow. Option B, by the car accident. Option C, the handicapped passenger. Or option D, all of the above. The correct answer here is the dead cow. Next question, what was the one-way fare from the village to the town? Option A, 1 rupee. Option A, 50 paise. Option C, 30 paise. Or option C, 40 paise. Or option D, 30 paise. We know the correct answer of this question is option D, 30 paise. 30 paise was the fare from the village to the town, one side. Okay, and for both sides it will be, yes, 60 paise. Next question, what was the timing of the afternoon nap taken by Vali's mother? Option A, 1 to 3. Option B, 1 to 4. Option C, 2 to 4. Or option D, 2 to 3. So we know that afternoon napping time for a mother was 1 to 4. Option B is correct here, 1 to 4. Next question, how does the conductor address Vali? Option A, sir. Option B, madam. Option C, teacher. Or option D, your honor. The correct answer here is option B, madam. Next question, what can you tell about the conductor from the text? Means conductor जो है वो किस तरह का इंसान था. Option A, he was funny. Option B, he was grumpy. Option C, he was quiet. Option D, all of the above. So conductor was a jolly kind of fellow. He was funny. Option A is correct here. He was funny and fun-loving person. He was jolly kind of fellow. Next question, how much money did Vali save for her bus ride? Option A, 40 paise. Option B, 50 paise. Option C, 60 paise. Option D, 70 paise. Vali saved how much? 60 paise. Okay, 60 paise for her bus ride. Next question, what did Vali buy from the town? Option A, a doll. Option B, a toy bus. Option C, a frog. Or option D, nothing. क्या buy किया था वली ने टाउन से? कुछ भी नहीं buy किया था, right? So option D is correct here, nothing. Next question, what was the most fascinating thing for Vali? Option A, the sight of the train. Option B, the sight of the bus. Option C, the sight of the railway station. Or option D, height of the bus stand. So we know the most fascinating thing, okay, the most fascinating thing for Valli was the site of the bus. बेटा यहाँ पर एक बात मैं आपको ज़रूर क्लियर करूँगी जिसमें बच्चे काफ़ी कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि इसमें दो तरह के क्वेश्चन से देखिए, एक तो था कि वल्ली का फेवरेट पास टाइम क्या था। तो वल्ली का फेवरेट पास टाइम था कि वो अपने घर के डोरवे पर खड़ी होके और बाहर स्ट्रीट में देखती रहती है। यहाँ मैंने क्वेश्चन क्या पुटअप किया कि मोस्ट फैसिनेटिंग थिंग उसके लिए क्या थी। तो मोस्ट फैसिनेटिंग थिंग जो थी उसके लिए, वो जब वो बाहर देखती थी गली में, तो उस समय जो बस से लोग उतरते थे, चढ़ते थे, वो बस उसकी गली से गुजरती थी, तो वो जो बस थी दैट उसे देखना, उसकी साइट को देखना, इट वॉज द मोस्ट फैसिनेटिंग थिंग फॉर वली। तो आप इसमें कंफ्यूज मत होना बिल्कुल भी। एंड विद दिस वी कम टू एन एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो, एंड इट्स माई एडवाइस टू यू दैट बिफोर यू do this, you see, before you try to answer these multiple choice questions based on the chapter Madam Writes a Bus, please follow the link given in the description box and watch its detailed explanatory video as well. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Thank you.